Hey guys, we're back again with another video. So my sister's neighbor invited us over to the backyard, which is like this beautiful utopia. Here we have this beautiful custom-made fish tank made by the owner and her husband. Look at all these fishes she has, guys. Aren't they beautiful? And this fish was trying to square up with Faith, but she decided that she's just gonna turn the other cheek. But then she was like, nah, I want all the smoke. So she starts staring back. And that she loved the experience, guys. She was enjoying herself, watching all the little animals. I know small, guys, but just really breathe in all this glorious beauty. It is too beautiful. It is too beautiful. Knowing that she made it by it. Then we have this mini juice bar. She's Christian, guys, so she don't do liquor, so it's a mini juice bar. She is planning on starting to do tours of her backyard, so once that starts, I'll be glad to give you guys an info. And here we have Rasco the guinea pig. I named him. And followed by, we have Jeff the iguana. He likes to sunbathe, guys. He likes sitting around in the sun, absorbing the sun. Anything that has to do with the sun, that's him. He loves it. And next we're gonna go over to little bunny rabbit. Guys, he hid from us the whole video. And then I realized that there was a rabbit in the cage, like towards the end. I'm like, oh, what's that white thing hiding? Got to realize that it's a rabbit. Sorry for my voice, guys. I have thyroid problems and it makes my voice really cry. I don't know. But anyways, there's my another favorite. I call him Jeffrey. Like, he loves to interact with people. And then we have the waterfall. And we have more fishies within those waters. Yeah, guys. She loves her fishes, I guess. Fishies. We love our fishies. Beautiful waterfall. I love it, yeah. It's so therapeutic. And here we got Oscar the turtle and stuff. And then we have our little birds. We have Jeffrey's family just hanging around. You know, there's the rest of the guinea pigs. I keep calling them hamsters, but yeah, guinea pigs. Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos of this mini backyard zoo. Thank you. Bye. Mwah.